of shopping for our supply. We don't have enough more. We don't have enough today. So we took us buying grocery today with my grandson, with my autistic grandson, and take care of him every day. Here we go. We did a lot of grocery today. Kunin mo din sa baba.
Oh.
Kunin mo yung black.
Ha?
Go away a little bit. We're going to get sugar. We don't have enough sugar today. There we go. Molly. You go ahead. You go ahead. Get sugar. Get a small size because I still have more at home. And then we get salt. I forgot salt. Meron ilang minutes na yun. Ay, let's buy Yakult. Oh, there is the Yakult. My favorite. Okay. Okay, we'll get more salt. You get salt. Para kukuha ako. Let's get salt. Salt for today. I need this today. Going to buy. Basta i-take mo na lang kahit slowly naman para hindi manila yung mga. Para we will do it longer. Other side. Other side. Yeah. What else are we going to buy, Gael? What are we going to buy, Gael? What do you want? This is the oil, cooking oil. You still have cooking oil. I think we bought a lot.